Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing the basics over using Google Extensions from a teacher's perspective. First, I'm going to walk you through on how to get to Google Extensions homepage. We do this by going to our Google homepage and typing Google Extensions in the search bar. Click on the first link and you should now be on Google Extensions homepage. If you notice in the top left-hand corner, it says Chrome Web Store. This is basically what Google Extensions is. It's a site that has a lot of apps or extensions that can help you out in the classroom, whether to keep yourself organized or to find a fun new activity to use in the classroom with your kids. Continuing on your left, you will see two different options. You'll have your extensions and themes. Now, if you go to themes, you can clearly see it is a location in Google Extensions that allows you to decorate and personalize your desktop more to how you want it to be. But today, I'm going to be mainly focusing on the extensions part of this section. Right below these two options is categories. By clicking this arrow, you can further detail your search for whatever you might be needing for your classroom. Below this is your features, which is again another way you can detail your type of search. You can do things that run offline in case you have some students who don't always have the ability to have internet at home and it's only provided to them during school. And then you can do things that only run through Google or are available also by Android. And then it has ratings, so you can do 5 stars or just 4 stars and up, 3 stars and up to 2 stars and up. You can specify so that you can get the best app provided by Google Extensions, or you can not specify and just get a whole bunch of mix of the different judgings. You can search for many things on Google Extensions. For example, you have Voxel Rebound, which is a gaming app, right next to Grammarly for Chrome, which is more on the educational side. So now that we know how to search specific things and that there are several options, let's click on one of these apps so I can show you what happens when you do. Let's do this one. This one looks interesting. So when you click on one of the apps, you'll come up to like this main screen for it. You have several options: overview, review, support, and related. In overview, you get a basic summary of the app and what it entails. Right here at the front, this little moving screen gives you sort of a tutorial, a little quick sneak peek at what you'd be seeing. And either in the front or in the back, usually there is some form of actual tutorial video, or at least an intro video. Then you scroll down, you can click on this link, and it gives you the actual proper website that this app will take you to in the beginning, just in case you want to explore the website before you download, which is always a smart idea. Then you get to know which version it is, last time it was updated, and how many languages. I like this option. It shows you all the languages that are available in this app. And then you as well get to know how to contact the developer or the privacy policy if needed, if there's an issue. And then here's your written out overview. If you scroll back up and you go to hit reviews, this is where you can see other people's comments and what others have said about this app. Support is how you can contact the developer and other people who might be able to help you if you do have any questions or if there's a glitch or something's just not communicating with you the same way it properly should be. If you hit related, This gets you to a section where if you really liked that app, but it's just not what you're looking for, you can come to this section and possibly one of the recommended or related ones will be exactly what you're looking for. I will also advise that all teachers, we must definitely check what we are asking our students to upload or download first. Say this is something that you want your students to interact with you as well. You definitely want to check all the corners of it before you allow them to, just so that it is safe, because sometimes pictures, comments, and all that great stuff is a little misleading and maybe can possibly not be school appropriate or at least age appropriate for your grade group. So let's say we really like this app. We've checked everything and it seems really great. We would click this button right here. It says Add to Chrome. And then this little box will pop up and it just tells you that what it can change, if anything. And if you agree with all of these and this is okay, then you will hit Add Extension. And down here it will just load, or whatever laptop you have or desktop. And then sometimes it takes you to this window. Other times only the little icon right here will pop up. And if neither one of those does that, you can always go to these three little dots, go down to More Tools, and hit Extensions. This will bring up a page that shows you all of your Google extensions, which this one would be right here. And if we wanted to remove it, we could go here to do that. You can go back to the place you downloaded it. It has that option. But let's go to the app. So the app this is basically the little home page that it has. And if we go down here to website, I do believe it takes you basically to the same place that this would take you. Of course, this is already a door in itself. Well, this is their actual home page. But it's the same thing. So by clicking on the app, you would be going to the exact same place that the home page link would take you to. So let's say we've checked it out and it's just not what we are asking for. So you can either go back to this page or go to this page. And you just scroll up, hit Remove from Chrome, and just hit the Remove button. And it is gone. You can double check in your extensions, and as you can see, it's no longer where it used to be. Then, if you want to go back to just the home page, you can either click Home or the Chrome web page, and it takes you back to where you were. As much as I would love to go through every single app and explore it with you and show you how to understand all of them, there simply isn't enough time to explain all of that, and I don't believe anyone will sit through an entire video of that. So you've learned the basics, and now it's just sort of time to explore and discover on your own. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in my comments. And thank you for listening.